Chrome comes with a lot of useful extensions, but the list of Chrome add-ons out there is pretty big. While some of them are good, some not so much. So today we'll show you the best Chrome extensions that actually work and make our browsing experience better. Let's get started. If you're familiar with the DuckDuckGo search engine, which doesn't track your activity, their Privacy Essentials extension is also quite useful. It blocks trackers that follow you online, keeping your personal information from being exposed when visiting websites, and will change your browser's default search engine to DuckDuckGo. On any website, when you click the Privacy Essentials icon, you'll see a privacy grade for that site. With the enhancements forced by this extension, the site's grid has been upgraded. Below that, it'll show you if the connection is encrypted and the number of trackers being blocked. Yes, even this company that touts privacy in their marketing is tracking you. I know it's shocking, isn't it? And if you're feeling adventurous living the crazy life, you can even turn off protection for individual sites. Keepa is a useful extension we mentioned recently in another one of our videos. If you shop on Amazon, it lets you take a look at the price history charts to make sure that you're getting the best deal, and it also lets you set up alerts to notify you if the price ever drops. Once Keepa is installed, when on a product page on Amazon, scroll down below the description to see the price history chart. In this example for this TV, the price has bounced around quite a bit at its peak. The price is around $2,700, and at its low right now, it's selling for around $2,200. You can add or remove filters to the graph here on the right by clicking on them. If you'd like to get alerts from Keepa for when the price drops, select the Track Product tab to the right of Price History, then enter in the desired price in one of the fields, or after clicking the field, select the price showing the discount in the window that you want. Let's go with 10%. Click the drop-down to select how long you want this item to be tracked. Let's go 6 months then. After that, click on Start Tracking. Moving on, you've all seen those cookie warning banners that pop up on websites asking you to accept before using their site. This all came about due to European Union data regulations for years back that have not had the intended effect, except just to annoy us. The I don't care about cookies extension will remove those warning banners that pop up on almost all websites. So you don't ever have to see them again. Just install the extension and forget about it. There's nothing more that you need to do. Awesome screenshot and screen recorder. It's great for browsers like Chrome that lack a proper screenshot tool with the ability to record both audio and video. Within your browser, to take a screenshot of any web page, click the icon to the right of the address bar. Make sure the Capture tab is selected. You have 3 choices: visible part, full page, and selected area. Make your selection. I'll go with visible part. They do have a pro version available with additional features for free. You can crop your image. There's a pen tool to mark up a highlighter, and others to the right. There's a button to copy it to your clipboard and paste it wherever you want it. You also have the option to save to your computer as an image or a PDF, print out, or share it with others. In addition, if you plan to record your screen after selecting their icon, select the Record tab. Choose whether you want to save your video to the cloud or locally to your computer. If you plan to use a microphone or camera, you'll need to grant access and then choose your max resolution. The max for free is HD 720p, and you'll be limited up to 5 minutes per video. And when you're done with that, click Start Recording. Without any doubt, if you need an efficient ad blocker to use on overly aggressive websites, uBlock Origin is the absolute best. Not only does it block ads, it also blocks other content to help improve the efficiency of the CPU and memory. uBlock Origin is enabled by default and is not paid off like some of its competitors to let ads slip through. If you're on a site you'd like to support and would like to see the ads, click the uBlock Origin icon, then click the power button to allow ads for that site. After doing that, click the refresh icon. On second thought, it's probably best to leave uBlock Origin turned on for the site. Oh, that is so much better. Thanks for watching. Links to all mentioned are in the description. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share with others. What is your favorite Chrome extension? Let us know about it in the comments, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and ring the bell for more videos and other tech-related stuff here on Digitaltopia.